Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to create estimates in bulk for several properties at once. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, click on the main menu button and select Accounts. Then open Property Search. Use the filters on the page to generate the list of properties you want to bulk create estimates for. Once satisfied with your list, click the drop-down and select Create Estimates for All. A window will appear where you will select the estimate service, estimate template, provide the estimate with a title, and then if you would like, you can also set start and end dates. Once completed, click Continue. You will receive a confirmation message that the estimates have been created and where they are located. Click Continue again to be taken directly to the newly created estimates. Ready to give it a go? Try it out the next time you have several estimates to create.